Hey guys, this is Tech Transition and today it's the review of the OnePlus 6. The most noticeable thing you can see about the OnePlus 6 is in the design. This has been a major design overhaul, and like most other phones in 2018, OnePlus 6 has given it the all-glass treatment. It's now made almost completely of glass, which covers around the rear and feels fantastic. The rim is made out of metal, which is sandwiched between the glass and gives it some rigidity. Well, just like every other phone out there, they have taken it up a notch. In order to go bezel-less and to maximize the screen area, the phone gets a notch, which isn't that big compared to its other counterparts, and a small chin on the bottom. As we move to the bottom, there is the USB-C port and the headphone jack. Yes, it's here to stay, and that's nice to hear. Good call, OnePlus. The phone gets a 6.3-inch display which is stretched to the edges. The display is a 2280 by 1080p display, and it's excellent. The panel is bright, colorful, and you get to set the color mode of which suits your needs. I would love to see the resolution bump to Quad HD, considering every OnePlus ever shipped has offered a 1080p panel. But in order to keep the cost down and improve the battery life, this is a trade-off. Maybe next year, OnePlus. With 2018 comes high-end specs. This phone packs the latest and greatest. The octa-core Snapdragon 845 CPU coupled with the Adreno 630 GPU. And the ludicrous amount of RAM this phone is packed with will ensure you can do more with your phone always. Apps load up quickly, games are speedy and shutter-free. Apps stay open in the background more often so you can quickly resume to the previous task what you were doing. Since the phone comes with Oxygen OS, it's basically vanilla, meaning it's stock Android Audio 8.1, which OnePlus has skinned. It's very subtle. My favorite feature is the dark mode, which is amplified system-wide. It looks great on an OLED display. You also have the option to disable the on-screen navigation buttons and also use swipe like the iPhone X. It's nowhere as fluid as the iPhone, but this may change as Google is actually implementing these gesture-based controls in Android P. This year the phone comes with two main cameras on the back, a 16-megapixel f1.7 sensor and a second 20-megapixel sensor. You may wonder what's the difference between the OnePlus 5T, since it too came with dual cameras on the back. Well, for one, the major difference is the addition of optical image stabilization, and the gone is the telephoto lens from the previous phone. Instead, the second lens is used for low light. The pictures from the camera are decent. Again, you can see the highlights and good color, but when you compare to the competition, it's okay. Low light performance has always been an issue for OnePlus phones. Even this one, it's just a little better. OnePlus claims that there are bigger pixels in the camera sensor, approximately 19% more to the 5T. Not all pictures are bad though. If the conditions are right, you get some really good shots out of it. Yes, there's the awesome dash charge, which as OnePlus says, which will give you a day's charge in 30 minutes. That's good. In fact, it'll make you not miss the wireless charging that much. It would be good if it was added anyway. It's 2018 and we'd love to see some new features. It unfortunately misses out on, like wireless charging, the lack of a better camera, and an IP certification. The fact that they still haven't upgraded to Quad HD, but on the bright side, it comes with a nice metal and glass design, a decent camera, flagship specs, dash charge to get you through the day, and all this starting at a price of 35,000 rupees. If you're looking out for an Android phone with something similar in your mindset or just thinking of buying it, we recommend you go for it. As always, if you like this video, hit the like button, consider subscribing, and please let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.